Hello, AP students. You survived electrostatics, and now it's on to circuitry. Ooh. Today we'll be talking about one of the most basic things of circuitry. Basic setup of a circuit and resistance, which is a huge part in circuits. Here I've got a basic setup of a circuit. Battery, light bulb. You've probably done something like this when you were in elementary school and you were like, oh my gosh, I like that. This is our battery, 6 volts. Now to the light bulb. Now the light bulb is receiving how many volts? 6. From a perfect diagram, you would think 6. However, not all batteries are perfect. I need to put these across there correctly, unlike me, who with one hand is really struggling. There we go. Still not. There we go, 5.33. Now that's because the battery has some internal resistors itself, so it really isn't putting out 6 volts every time, or any time, but they kind of round it up. So yeah, that's a potential difference across this port to this port and how much is going to go through the light bulb. Now, that's way too much for this light bulb. It's way too bright. So what's one way we can actually make it go down? You add little resistors. This is an older one. This is a 10 ohm resistor. And we'll hook that up to our circuit. Now watch our light bulb. It's dim. Why do you think that is? Well, because when the electrons are moving this way, they'll flow through this first, which will actually take some voltage out of the circuit and actually slow the amps down. It'll go through here, and there'll be less voltage through the light bulb. And as you can see, it got pretty dim. Now it's 10 ohms. This is a 1 ohm resistor. Let's replace that. Light bulb is still very bright because this was a 10 ohm resistor compared to the 1 ohm resistor. Now where resistance comes in a big part is through Ohm's law, which is V equals IR. Voltage is equal to amps times the resistance. Ohms. So you saw the 10 and 1 ohm resistor. Let's try one of the big ones now. Now, this circuit is a series circuit, where resistance works pretty basic. But if you get to some of the more complicated circuits where things aren't so much what they seem, see, look how tiny that is compared to these ones. That's 1,000. Nothing. Let's check cross resistor how much voltage is being crossed. Why can't I detect it? Our voltmeter is set to 20, however, nothing. Because this resistor is essentially stopping the entire circuit itself, slowing it almost to a complete halt, almost undetectable. That's why that is not getting enough to be powered. What else do I think would be useful to show you guys? Ooh, future, you're gonna have to do the circuit project. Warning, it hurts real bad. you'll use sound pieces. Now, these guys play a big role in sound pieces and motors. Because what do motors use? Focus. Motors run off of the voltage and the amperage you put into them. Now, you can slow motors down by putting these in there because you don't want something that's spinning extremely fast enough so your viewers can't see what it is or actually like look at it. I mean, unless that's what you're going for, but for your speaker, you need something that has a big resistor so you don't blow it out. Now, you'll later learn how to calculate that actually. Well, thanks for tuning in. Cute little example of basic circuit and resistance.